Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing a super budget friendly and useful cycle light combo set. All of this just for rupees 292. Let's quickly see what we get inside the box. Inside the box we have 3 items. First is the cycle front light. It says 1000 battery inside it. And there's a cycle tail light and valve lights with motion sensor. Let's unbox it and check. We get the front light and a USB cable for charging. The build looks good and brightness is also impressive. This is a 250 lumen front light, so it's really helpful for safe riding at night. It charges fully in about 2.5 hours using the micro USB cable. Now let's just include it in the package. Now let's check the modes. Press once a medium brightness, press again full brightness, and press again flickering mode. It also comes with a 40B super loud horn, perfect to alert people or vehicles while riding. Next up is the rear light. We get a mounting bracket with retractable silicone rubber belts, one small and one big depending on your cycle frame. Here the rear light and another USB cable for charging too. To turn it on or off, just press and hold the button. Press again to change mode start. Last item is the valve light with a motion sensor. This is to be attached to the wheel valve. But note that before using it, you must unscrew and remove the battery stopper inside. Only then it will work. After removing, you'll see a blue light when it moves. It turns off automatically when the wheel stops, thanks to the motion sensor. I'll only use this on the rear wheel because my front valve is not straight, so I can't screw it properly there. Now let's install everything on the cycle and see how it looks. I've mounted the front light with the horn on the handlebar. It fits perfectly and feels stable. The rear light is also installed using the rubber strap. It's tight and secure. And the valve light is now on the back wheel. Looks cool when it spins. Final thoughts, this combo is amazing for 290. If you ride at night, this is perfect. Loud horn, bright light and eye-catching valve light. It's very useful and definitely value for money. I recommend it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Ride safe.